All right, good afternoon, my beautiful followers, and welcome to today's class. In today's class, we are going to be treating automatic phase selector. This has been a question from the beginning till today. I still got a question or a request for me to do a video on automatic phase selector. Now, what automatic phase selector does is that when you look at this place, we have three phases, and of course, our neutral here. All right. So what we are operating is a single phase machine. Say a fan like this. All right. So it's a single phase machine, and we don't want any phase failure to affect what we are doing. All right. So what this does is that if one phase fails, it will select another one. If this one fails, it will select another one. Say, for example, this two fails, it will use this one. If this two fails, it will use this one. And if this two fails, it will use this one. And this is going to be operated automatically. Now, we're going to be making use of this component. These are relays. These relays are rated 220 volts, and the power contact is rated 10 amps. So this can only handle up to 10 amps load. And of course, we're going to be making use of this base. These are the bases for our relays. So if you look at here, we're going to see this relay has pins, and these pins are designed in a way that they will slot into here. Okay, so when they slot into here, before they can operate, you are not allowed to solder on this place. Okay, so what happens here? What are these bases for? How are they designed? First, let me just attach this one. Okay, now we have 8 pins in total. Just the way we have 8 pins here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 terminals. Okay, so how does this work? This is pin 7. This is pin 8. This is pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we have 2 relays in one. This particular relay, this type of relay, we have 2 relays in it. This one and this one is the power source that goes to the coil of this relay to operate the relay. What the coil does is that it behaves like a magnet, and then it attracts the moving part of this relay and then causes one contact that is open to close, and it also causes the contact that is closed to open. All right. So now the 2 relays are this pin 1, pin 3, and pin 4. And then the second relay is pin 8, pin 5, and pin 6. And of course, in relays, we have 3 different types of contacts. Number 1 is the common, number 2 is the normally open, and number 3 is the normally closed. The first relay, pin 1, is the common. Pin 3 is the normally open, while pin 4 is the normally closed. In the second relay, pin 8 is the common, while pin 5 is the normally closed, and pin 6 the normally open. All right. So we're going to attach all this, and then we'll attach all this. All right. So let us do the wiring. The first thing to do is to get your wire, connect from normally closed, and set this normally closed, and lock it. Then I'm going to give this space a little bit so that my wires can pass through them and go through here. And this wire will now go to the common of this particular relay. All right, so we can take another short wire, connect it to the normally closed of this one, make sure it is tight, and then take it to the common of the next relay. Then close these things in, close them in. All right, this is what we have. So the next thing to do is to connect our power from different phases. So let us connect our first power from line 1. So we're going to slug this out and then insert our cable or our wire, tighten it, and take this to normally open. In this case, pin 6. All right. So the next, we're going to take our power again from line 2. Slug this out, start our cable, and then of course, tighten it. And take this wire to the normally open of the second relay. And grab another wire. Make sure it's clean. Slug this out. Insert it. And then tighten it. Take this wire, connect it to the normally open of the third relay. Strip it this way, clean it up, and then slug this out, and then tighten it. Okay, from what we have here, we're going to take our output from the common of the first relay, and the common of the first relay is here, pin 8. All right. So in the same vein, we're going to connect power to the coils of our relay. So in that case, we're going to take this one and set this guy, tighten it, let it pass here again, not a problem. Got this here, strip it, slug this one out, which is the power source, and then insert it here. Then we lock it. All right, so let us guide this properly. And then next, we're going to connect power again from here, pin 7. Taking this power all the way to pin 6, where we have our power connected. So we're going to slug this out, and then insert this one, then tighten it. So the next thing to do is to grab another wire, clean it out, and then slug out pin 7, insert this wire, and then we take it to pin 6 of this one. So strip this, clean it up, then slug this one again, and then insert this one, and then lock it. All right. So the next thing to do now is to complete the circuit by connecting our neutral line or neutral lines. All right. So we're going to take this for our neutral. This is pin 2. Of course, this is a 3-phase system, 3-phase and neutral. So this one will go here as well. Strip this neatly, Strip this one also neatly. Clean it up. Clean it up. Slug this out. Insert this one. And then insert this one. Then tighten it. That's okay. Take this also to this side. Strip this one. And strip this one. Clean it up. Clean this one up too. Slug this out. Insert this one. Then insert this one and tighten it up. Alright. And then this one, we take it to our neutral block. Clean this out. Make sure it's good enough. Then you come here. Slap this one out. And then you lock it. Alright. So let us get our load. We have our load here. I'm going to keep it this way. Here. But before then, let me connect it. Let me take this out so we can connect the load directly to this place. So it goes here. You lock it. And the second one, you take it to neutral. And then you lock it. So let us keep our fan here. It's going to work here. And then the next, we plug in our relays. 1, 2, and 3. So what is going to happen now is that whichever breaker I close, this fan will be on. Let us start with this one. The fan is on. I put it off and I apply a brake a little bit. Then let me put on this one. Then the fan is on. Okay, I'll put it off. Let me put on this one. And the fan is on. And then I'll stop it this way. I'm going to put on the 3. All the phases. They're all on now. They're all on now. So, I'll be taking them out one after the other. If I take out this one, we'll stay on. If I take out this one, we'll stay on. So I'll put them back up. If I take out this one, we'll stay on. If I take out this one, we'll stay on. So I'll put them back up. So if I take out this one, we'll stay on. If I take out this one, we'll stay on. So, with this, I'm sure you have understood how automatic phase selector is wired and built. So if you like this video, please let me know in the comment section. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section also, or send me a private message. Invite your friends, share with your friends, and continue to follow me for more tips on power. Thank you very much.